Good morning, and welcome to this guided meditation. To start your day with focus and clarity, this practice will help you awaken your mind, energize your body, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Ensure your back is straight, shoulders relaxed, and hands resting gently. Close your eyes, or keep them softly open. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Take another deep breath. Inhale fresh energy. And exhale any lingering fatigue. With each breath, you become more awake and more present. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to your body, starting with your feet. Feel their contact with the floor or bed. Notice any sensations of warmth, coolness, or light tingling. Move your attention up to your legs. Feel their strength and stability, ready to carry you through the day. Breathe in energy. Breathe out tension. Now, focus on your hands. Feel them resting gently. Allow them to soften, calm, yet energized, ready to create and embrace the day. Bring awareness to your shoulders and neck. Notice any tension As you inhale, send your breath to these areas. As you exhale, let the tension melt away. Now, focus on your face. Soften your jaw and relax your forehead. And let your expression brighten. Breathe in ease. Breathe out any tightness. Turn your awareness to your thoughts. Observe them without judgment, letting them drift by like clouds. With each breath, your mind becomes clearer, open to the day ahead. Now, set an intention for your day. Could be staying present, being kind, or focusing on your goals. Hold this intention gently in your awareness. Breathe in gratitude for this new day, and breathe out any worries or doubts. You have everything within you to make this day a good one. Gently bring awareness back to your body. Feel the energy flowing through you. Take one last deep breath in. And exhale fully. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch gently. Open your eyes, carrying the sense of calm, focus, and clarity with you. Thank you for joining this morning's meditation. May your day be filled with peace, focus, and positivity. Go forth and make it a beautiful day.